Hello, kids! Let's learn the alphabet from A to Z. Ready? Let's go! A for apple. A, apple. B for ball. B, ball. C for cat. C, cat. D for dog. D, dog. E for elephant. E, elephant. F for fish. F, fish. G for goat. G, goat. H for hen. H, hen. I for ice cream. I, ice cream. J for juice. J, juice. K for kite. K, kite. L for lion. L, lion. M for monkey. M, monkey. N for nest. N, nest. O for orange. O, orange. P for parrot. P, parrot. Q for queen. Q, queen. R for rabbit. R, rabbit. S for snake. S, snake. T for train. T, train. U for umbrella. U, umbrella. V for van. V, van. W for watch. W, watch. X for X-ray. X, X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z, zebra.